Ahoy, Cumberland County. My name is Renee and I am the Executive Director and the Sexual Health Educator here at your Sexual Health Center. Well, we wouldn't go out into the Bay of Fundy in a rainstorm without the proper gear on, so why would we participate in oral sex without using the proper protection? And that's what we're here to talk about today. Particularly, I'm going to teach you how to dam it. Damming it is a really important activity when you want to decrease your chance of sexually transmitted infections, particularly those through oral sex. Oral sex is a sexual activity that involves the mouth onto genitals and or the anus region. STIs such as herpes, syphilis, even chlamydia can be contracted this way, so it's really important that we're aware of all of the barrier protection methods that are available to us, not just condoms. So, this latex dam, most dams are made out of latex. We actually got from our friends at the Teen Health Center here in Amherst. And the way that a dam works is that it is basically just placed over the vulva or the anal region prior to oral sex. I do recommend that you use lube, but not too much because things can get quite slippery, but a little bit of lube will help to improve the sensation. It's important to remember not to use oil-based lube because those will deteriorate the latex in the condoms. So, as I mentioned, we got this dam from Nurse Michelle at the Teen Health Center, and they do have a few that are available there. But other than that, you cannot purchase dental dams anywhere in Cumberland County. You can get them through some sex shops, such as Venus Envy in Halifax, but generally they're very hard to find for purchase, and they're really expensive if you do find them. They can run expensive. So what do? Well, we do what we always do best in Cumberland County, and that's make the best with what we got. So we are going to make our own dental dam. We grabbed one of these condoms that we recently got and that we give out here at the center. This is the only time that you are going to hear me say that it is okay to have a pair of scissors around a condom. So you're going to look on the condom tip, or look for the condom tip, and you're going to just cut the tip off with the condom still rolled up. You're just going to snap that off the end and unroll, and there you have a pre-lubed dam that can just be placed like so. And you can also get condoms with different kind of flavors as well if you prefer that. It's important to remember not to flip the dam. That kind of defeats the purpose because you can still transmit a sexually transmitted infection that way. And it's also important to remember that you dispose of the dams properly after each use. Same with condoms, you do not want to flush them unless you want a very high plumbing bill. A lot of folks ask me if saran wrap is an okay option to use if you don't have a dam. And the answer to that is, it is an option. You can use saran wrap. It is important to note though that saran wrap is an option. It is a last minute option. Latex is going to be your best bet. And also, if you're going to use any of those warming lubes that are on the market, do not use them with saran wrap. Saran wrap maintains and holds heat, and things are already hot enough down there as it is. So I avoid staying away from the lube, and if you can, find some of the actual dams that are on the market, or make your own with the condoms that you can get here at the Sexual Health Center. Well, that's all we had for today, and remember, here at the Sexual Health Center, we want your experiences to be fun, healthy, safe, and fabulous. And whenever you undress, protection is best. Thanks everyone, and have a great week.